Well, let's go over hi YouTube. Let's go over this song, "Real" by the artist. His name is spelled Chelou. Chelou, maybe. Sounds French to me, but he sings in English, and the song is called "Real," and it's a beautiful song, and it's got a very interesting video where it's all like stop motion animation. But what I wanted to go over is this harmonized scale. All right, and I'll start it, and then I'll show how I think it's related to this song. Let's start at the first fret on the second string. That's the first notes of the scale. If you're playing it up here, you could play. But because we're down here and we have the nut, we have to play it like this. All right, the next part is string 1 on fret 2 and string 2 on fret 3. So we have two of the same shapes. Then it goes a little farther apart. It goes on the 3rd and the 5th strings. So you got to change instead of using your index and your middle finger, you have to use your index and your ring finger. So we have 3, 5. Then we switch back to the first shape. We play 7, 8. Then we go back to the second shape. And it just keeps going on, and it'll go on forever if your fretboard was long enough. And I think he's playing a lot out of this. Kind of something like that. I'm not claiming this is exactly. It kind of starts on this. This would be like a B minor, out of a B minor chord. This is out of a D chord. This is out of a C chord. Hangs on the C, and then it goes back up. Something like that for the melody. It's played, with a beautiful rhythm. So, anyways, those are my thoughts on how this song is being played. And then there's some electric guitar in there towards the end. But I just wanted to show this for those of you who are interested in either the harmonized scale or the song by this artist called Real. And there are other harmonized scales. This is by no means the only one. So anyways, something to think about, and maybe give this song a listen and try to work it out. Now that I've showed you the scale, you could probably work out a lot of the song. All right, thanks for watching. This is a quick one. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me grow my channel. Thanks. Bye.